Oh, you. I wonder how many kids will get. Oh, I wonder how many kids will get. Yeah, sure.
I love Jessica.
I do.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. That'd be funny if Jessica was on the other line with Harley. She'd be freaking out on it.
She already knows it.
Yep. No, she doesn't.
Are you playing it again? I'm gonna kill you.
Jessica, Harley said that Jessica is mad at you because you're mean to her.
Sure.
She thinks you're annoying, and that's why she's mean to you.
Yeah, this isn't funny.
So, if you tell her you love her,
I love you, Jessica.
that works.
Just don't tell Max.
Dun dun dun. Yeah. Who wants to watch this?
Please leave your opinions at the bottom of the page.
Yes.
And make it nice with flowers. Or I will come and I'll have pretty unicorns and all sorts of little magical leprechauns come and kill you in your sleep.
Yay! I know! Okay, well, bye.